which is in same building.
You can do it with the system online, no concern.
What's that?
You can do it with the system online, no
Yes,
concern. We will not
the
impact the
same.
ESD.
We will use the same tray of the ESD tray up to the ESD mastering panel.
No, because no, this is restricted. You need to keep it one. But what I want to understand if they may be impacting normal operation.
It is newly installed. I believe it will not, sir. It will be newly installed. Existing will be as it is working. So new panel will come, and from there, cable will install to the panel. Anyway, OEM will be there. As I mentioned in the previous meeting, OEM, based on OEM presence only we will do. Honeywell and Siemens presence.
And Sudeep, since this activity in CA is going to be indoor means purely indoor, right? All activities.
In the control room, yes, purely indoor.
So that means when there is a plant startup shutdown outside the building, so we can allow this job together, right? There is no additional hazard.
I believe yes, because this is an inside control room.
Okay, let me understand from Oscar. Oscar, what is your view? I mean, if you are going to work on the ESD matrix panel, can we allow the plant startup and shutdown together, or there is some interface?
There shall be restricted.
Restricted.
Okay. Then
what I wanted to understand is there may be additional impacts in normal operation because as you are touching the ESD panel.
Yeah.
I wanted to be sure that will not be any kind of restriction to operation or anyway.